What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Steve, Putnworksteve, back with another video, and I just want to tell you guys, if you're new to this channel, give a like and subscribe. It's right there because YouTube don't tell you, I gotta tell you myself. But this video is on 10 things men should do every single morning. This is for a video to help you guys out there, if you're living alone, for you young guys out there, for young boys, ladies, if you want to teach your sons, your boyfriends, because some of y'all boyfriends out there ain't doing the right proper thing, and for your husbands out there, because some of y'all husbands done forgot how to take care of themselves to start their day. So rule number one, wake your behind up. Wake up. Why? Because you have to start your day. Do not hit that snooze button. Do not hit the alarm on your phone. When you wake up is when you wake up. Get your behind up. Rule number two, make your bed. Why make your bed? Because you need to be able to start your day fresh. Every single day that you make your bed, it gives you that mindset of like, yo, my room is clean. It just gives you like it helps you mentally wise. Fellas, if you do not have a girl and you plan on bringing a girl home and you bring her home to your bed messed up, it's not a good look. It's not a good look. And young boys out there, just make your bed. You don't want your mom beating you behind. Rule number three, do not check your phone, man. Don't sit there and be like, hey, yo, what's going on? Yo, what you doing today? Yo, what's going on Instagram? How you doing? Don't check social media at all. Do not check any text messages, no anything whatsoever. Because you yourself have to make sure that you are straight before you just go ahead and check up on somebody. All right? Do not do that at all, man. Do not look at your phone, not whatsoever. Keep it on the charger. If it's on the charger, keep it away from you at all times. Now it's okay to put your music on, but keep it away from you at all times, because a lot of people lose track and then they look at the time and be like, well, dang, it's 30 minutes. I gotta do this, I gotta do that. It's time for me to go to school, time for me to go to work. Don't look at your phone. Rule number four, hygiene. Hygiene is the number one thing that you should be doing. And that's just not in the morning time, that's throughout the day. But when you wake up in the morning, make sure you take care of your hygiene. That means wash your behind. Wash your balls. Okay, we're all growing up. We're men here. I'm talking to you guys directly. Wash your balls. Go take a shower if you feel like you're stinking. If you know somebody, let them know, hey bro, you are stinking. You need to take a shower. You need to go wash your face. You need to brush your teeth. No woman wants to have you talking all in their face and be like, hey, how you doing? Hey baby, how you doing? Yeah, baby, I love you so. Whoa, you don't want to have that all in your face. You know, make sure you brush your teeth. Make sure you wash your face. Make sure you take care. You know, I got a beard on me, but make sure you trim your beard. You know, make sure you take care of yourself. And for those that don't know what they're doing, YouTube, watch this video. YouTube is the number one thing source that's out there right now for you to find out how to take care of yourself. Rule number five. Did I say that right? Excuse my words. Rule number five, drink water. Okay, and for those that don't know, it's water. Excuse me, what my accent. I just want to let you guys know that water is the most number one thing to do when starting in the morning time. It's the most refreshing thing ever. When you drink water, it's like, yeah, like you feel me? Like you want to be able to drink that water, man, at all time. You know, for those that feel dehydrated, because why drink water is when you lay down at night and when you're sleeping, you're sweating. When you wake up in the morning, you're dehydrated. You need to have at least water in your body. Drink water every single day. But just to start off in the morning, drink water. Rule number six, always go right ahead and find something great to eat. Breakfast is the number one most important meal of the day. Make sure you have breakfast in the morning. Go ahead and find you some oatmeal. Maybe you can go ahead and make some eggs. For those that are not vegetarian, you know, find something that's gonna be proper for you, a nice decent meal. Maybe it can be the veggies, maybe it can be your protein, maybe it can just be some type of oats or anything. Just find something to eat so that way you can start your day so you can have energy in your body. Rule number seven, meditate. Meditate, okay? It's within you and your God, or maybe you could just be meditating to yourself. Spiritually or religious, always want to get yourself right. Make sure that you are good and just say, hey, look, okay. Hey, look, you know, I'm doing good today. You know, I'm gonna do great. You know what? You know, everybody's been doing this and that and this and that and this person. I gotta stay away from that person. And dear Lord, just That's what you want to do. Meditation is always good, so that way it can help you mentally wise have a great day. Rule number 8, have a to-do list. Have errands that you have to do. Even if you're in school, where you have to make sure you have to do your homework, make sure you have to probably check out this girl, make sure that you, maybe if you're in a relationship, check out that girl. If you are older and adult like me, make sure that you have to make sure your house is clean. Throw the trash out, clean your yard, water the grass, wash your car. These are the things that you want to make sure you do and have a to-do list. That is a great thing to have in the morning time. Rule number 9, always go to the gym. Make sure you take care of your health, because you want to make sure that you look good and fit. You want to live a healthier lifestyle, right? We all do. So you want to have the muscles, right? I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Please believe. But hey, look, rule number 9 is take care of your health. Go to the gym. You always want to start a day off, and for those that are adults, hey, look, make sure you just have some good sex. All right, hey, we can say it, right? That's all health. This is all health. This is all the part about, being a man, okay? Taking care of yourself. Last but not least, rule number 10. I want to tell y'all this. After all that's said and done, when you start your day, just tell yourself, I am going to have a good day. And when you do all these 1 through 10, you're gonna have a good day. I thank y'all so much, and I appreciate every last one of y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's your boy Steve, Putnworksteve, and I'll be back. If you wanna see more videos, let me down below, leave a comment. Peace.